Hello my friends, today I wanted to show you how to install the strip light, LED light, as you see, to the door panel. The door panel is difficult. Probably I'm not gonna install the door panel LED light. This is much nicer, but unfortunately in this section is some challenging. That's why probably I'm not gonna install to the door. But I'm gonna install the LED light underneath of here, probably, and here, this gap, and I just remove, because I'm gonna make hard wire, the same as OEM installation. I usually do professional installation, not aftermarket installation. That's why. Okay, let me turn on the light. Okay, and I'm gonna install the LED light here, as you see, between the gap around here, and another strip LED from this side. After that I just remove this side because this is the fuse box. I'm gonna make hard wire, not cigarette lighter or something like that, because that is not nice at all if I do by cigarette lighter connection. Yes, and let's see what will happen. Probably it's take about 1 hour, 2 hours, because I want to make clean job. Okay friends, I just wanted to show you after installation. The light is working with the noise whenever I talking, as you see. So nice, do you see that? Let me show you, let me remove. Okay, do you see that? Excellent. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, do you see? It's working with the sound. Okay. It took about 4 hours. It's easy job, but the problem is the gap is very important. It's very difficult to push inside of the gap. Yes, I have a lot. I have 3 more. But just I didn't install because I just don't want to spend more time for the doors. That's why this is the best, as you see. Okay, let me show you this side. You see, whenever I play music, unfortunately it's not recording. Okay, I'm gonna change the mode. As you see, this is the white. I'm gonna turn off. Okay, I'm gonna turn on again. Let me show you in behind. Let me show you from front. Let me turn off the light. I'm very surprised. GM should install a strip light, but I don't know why they didn't install. I'm gonna turn off. As you see, turn it back on. Okay, let me show you in this section. Red is much better. Okay, turn off. Amazing. Turn it back on. Great. I wanted to bring the strip until top section, but unfortunately at the night is reflect to the window, to the glass. That's why I just cut it until here. I mean, very professional installed. I hope you enjoy, but just remember, to installation you have remove this bottom panel, not all of them. Until here you have to remove and push inside, and after that you have to remove. This is the challenging part. I mean the top waterfall and this section, because connection is hard to remove. And after that I did by hard wire, not cigarette lighter or USB, something like that. No, hard wire to the fuse box. I add one more fuse for this, but now it's great. I mean, looks fantastic. Let me see. Do you see? Is not difficult, but just a problem, as I told you, just takes time, takes a lot of time to do that. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can make comment on the below. If you like the video, just please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.